Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video of my Thruxton RS. It's a beautiful day here in New York. It's nice and cool, not too hot, not too cold, just perfect for riding. Alright, so I've done a few things to the bike since the last video. Just want to quickly go through it, show you guys what I did, and the first impression of those mods. Alright, let's do a quick walk around here. Look at that, it's a beautiful bike. Alright, so as you can see, I changed out the headlight bracket with the lowered one. What it does is that it pushes the headlight a little lower, about 2 inches, and coming with that, it also pushes the gauge a little lower to match the lower headlight. The reason for this mod is that from factory, when you look at it from the side, the headlight is a little bit higher compared to the tank and the rest of the bike. So lowering the headlight about 2 inches, make it align with the tank, give it a more proportional look from the side. Alright, so the bracket is over here. It was a very easy installation, pretty straightforward. I just say, just be careful with with this bolt here, as well as the bolt down here, because if you over tighten those, you may crack the headlight bowl. These are made out of plastic, so just something to be careful of when you do this. Alright, so that's that. I also switched out the seats. This is the comfort seat from Triumph, so nothing really crazy here. Just put it on yesterday. The initial impression is I like the stitching a lot. Looks very nice. I'm a big fan of diamond stitching. I think it does elevate the look of the bike, especially with the stitching, the red stitching going around the perimeter of the seats. So looks much better. In terms of comfort, I didn't notice a big difference. Enough for me to like. So this thing is like over 300 bucks. But I don't think I noticed a big difference in terms of comfort. But that's me. That's just me with a short ride. Maybe on a longer ride, I'll notice a bigger difference. But look-wise, it's much better compared to the stock seats. All right, guys. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have with the bike. This is where it currently stands. All right, peace.